I've been wanting to record this walkthrough tutorial from such a long time, and finally it's here. I'm very sorry I got it delayed, but I want to get this done the best way possible. I was just tied up with some work. But in this video, I'm going to show you the complete walkthrough process, the copywriting strategy, the funnel strategy of how we take a client, which is you probably just getting started with his new venture, build his entire funnel system structure, design it, and deliver it to our clients. I'm going to show you this entire course or membership funnel, which you can say that we built for him literally from scratch, right? With just email exchanges. That's it, right? I'm going to show you entire thing. I'm going to give you a complete walkthrough, a rundown. I'm going to show you this page, which you probably would have already seen it in case you watched my video of how to create amazing high converting payment pages. Because I actually showed it to you, the entire psychology behind this and how to actually build it from scratch. Apart from that, this is the congratulations, which is the order confirmation page. I want to show you all of that as well, right? But before we get started, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for coming on this channel. Make sure to subscribe it because we do everything about Go High Level. In case you're wondering about who am I to teach you about funnels, customer psychology, online payments, and all of that, my name is Pritam. I run a Go High Level funnel website design agency. You can learn more about me in pritam.bhadra.com. The link is also just in the description. So in case you want to check that out, more about us, please go ahead. We work with a lot of clients, a lot of 80 plus businesses to be exact, across 12 plus countries who are using Go High Level and want to hire funnel design, website design experts who can build everything in-house in the Go High Level account. If that's you, make sure you check this out and proceed forward to book a call with me. We're here. By the way, if you're not yet aware of what is exactly Go High Level, it's an all-in-one marketing platform that literally I believe every business now needs. You literally cannot stay away from a tool like this. We literally provide so much of value, so much of top-notch tools that you'll probably be paying tens of thousands of dollars for if you want to combine all of those and all of the options that they provide, right? For literally $97. I want to show you that real quick, right? And in case you want to become an agency, you want to have the unlimited plan of $297 where you can have unlimited accounts, or you want to go top notch and you want to make sure that you want to have automated accounts being created at the $497 plan, I'll highly recommend that you go through my affiliate link, because anyone and everyone who goes through my affiliate link and emails me at digitalpritam71@gmail.com gets $9,000 worth of bonuses directly from me. That includes a bunch of automations, funnels, landing pages, lead generation pages, websites, all of that custom designed by my hand, literally for absolutely free. Not just that, I also give you the link so that you can schedule a 1 hour of call with me where you have the ability to ask me questions, discuss with me about strategies, question me about the things of how to get started, right? Not just that, I'm also going to live demonstrate what we have already transferred to you, and will help you set up the basic account for absolutely free of cost, without anything, right? But the only ask is go through my affiliates, because we take care of our affiliates. If you have any kind of questions, if you are stuck somewhere, you want to get in touch, you have my email always, and I always reply to my affiliates. You can also bunch me, text me, all of that is also possible, right? So if you are considering to get started with Go High Level, looking for an amazing affiliate who can literally help you one-on-one, not those big businesses who probably don't even see that you are currently a sign up under them. So consider checking out that link and going through that, and just email me and we can take care of the rest for you, right? So this is actually a Go High Level agency, right? His name is Josh. This guy is my client, right? We have built this entire awesome Go High Level SaaS funnel for him last year. I remember that pretty nicely, right? Everything here, as you see, is custom built for Josh that we did, right? And then what we did next is then we built this funnel for him literally just now, which basically means they already built him this particular year. I mean, just few months back, literally, right? And this was done for his new program or this new venture he's coming out with, which is membership, it was a membership course or a program that he's going to charge on a monthly basis. And this is going to be for home service businesses who wants to leverage automation and AI in order to improve and fasten their business growth and manage their day-to-day activities, which is what a lot of us are doing, right? So that's pretty much what was the value proposition is. He had a thing in mind. He wanted to get the best guy for this project. He reached out to me again and he wanted to get this done. I was absolutely thrilled to get this done for him, and that's how we build this entire thing. I'm going to show that to you, right? By the way, just to show you, we build this inside his account. It's a 3-step automation course funnel, which basically means that the first step is going to be more about the entire landing page, the value proposition, the pain points, who are we as a business, what exactly you're going to get, and all of that. Then you have an order form. This is where we showcase you the order form. We also showcase you everything in brief, and this is a very, very high converting order form because the objective is very simple. We need to make sure that till the time they are there, they're still making a decision to get their credit card out and purchase that product or service. We need to make sure that we need to constantly provide them value and give them as much as possible in order for them to make that decision easy for them to proceed forward. That's exactly what you need to do, and that's exactly what order forms are. Not the basic order forms, but the top ones that we design in our agency for our clients. After that, I will show you an order confirmation page. Super important. I've seen a lot of new businesses who are building funnels by themselves. They probably really miss it out, the order confirmation. Guess what happens when there is no order confirmation? The checkout process is not yet completed. I mean, it's completed at the back end, but the client will not have any kind of confirmation, and that can create panics. You would probably do not want to give that panic situation to your client, because that's not really a good experience, a good customer experience, right? And they're probably going to come to you, bug you out if you have your email ID everywhere listed, and there's going to be extra additional customer support, which is actually a technical flaw because you didn't add the order confirmation page. So that's what we're going to cover. Let's get started with this Bullseye Pro, which is basically the agency that we build the service mastery funnel for, right? Awesome. As you can see, I'm going to give you a walkthrough here. So this is the top section, also called as the hero section. Now, a few things to keep in mind, right? Because when we take up any kind of project, our projects are very simple and straightforward in terms of onboarding and taking all the assets, right? To give them a bunch of questions in document, we ask them, here are the 10 things or 12 things that we need from you in order to develop it in the best way possible, where the funnel looks mature. Because hey, funnel starts from you being a newbie into this business and then you being a master. So the funnel will continue to evolve with you, because if you do not continue to evolve your funnel, probably guess what? You probably have a lot of achievements and a lot of case studies and a lot of other things, but people are not going to notice that because you're not updated your funnel. So the first thing that you need to do is start small and then grow your funnel, right? And here Josh is starting his new venture or new product that he is introducing to his audience, right? And which is more about the automation membership for home service businesses, right? And that's exactly what we wanted to show. A very important thing about this is that the hero image, right? So we are focusing a lot on Josh and Trey. Trey is like his business partner, his automation expert, or also a friend and business partner, right? And they both are the face of this business, right? So what does that mean is both these two guys are actually a personal brand when it comes to all kinds of automation systems built for optimizing for home service business, right? And when you understand that, you need to understand that, hey, you need to showcase these people on top, because hey, that is going to build the trust, credibility, and help people make a decision to proceed forward and purchase that product or the service which you're trying to sell or portray as a value addition in the sales funnel, right? A lot of people do not understand this, do not show this, but we do it because we know that what exactly people are looking for, right? Even before people are looking for it, right? That's just experience of 3 years of walking into the funnel industry, right? Anyway, so this is the mastery funnel or the mastery logo. Amazing logo. They started with a podcast, amazing podcast. A lot of people listen to this, right? It's all about tech, business, growth, marketing, and all of that. I also want to get a support email there. This is probably just dummy email, but here's what happens. Since we are going to take payments, you always want to give them the option for them to reach out to us. they might have some questions and queries that they want to ask or clear before they proceed forward to make that purchase, and that happens all the time. And that's the reason why you should give them an option to proceed forward and get an email sent to your support, right? So here again, we want to clarify that this is for home service business owners. So again, we have mentioned that, hey, this is number one automation membership for home service businesses. Very clear, very crystal clear. Right? Apart from that, one thing that you will find here is that we have used a lot of CSS into this funnel because we want to make this premium, top notch, and a bit different than what GoHighLevel funnels are, right? So here, as you can see, but the copywriting is also done with us. So scale your home service business with seamless automated solution, right? The value proposition area is very crystal, very clear, and very easy to understand for everybody, right? If you are a home service business, if you want to scale your business and you want to do it seamlessly with advanced technology, right, like automated solutions, then this is the right page, the right course, the right platform for you. Keep checking out the rest of the page. If not, probably this is not for you. Check back again. Probably we'll have something else for you next time, right? That's exactly what the value proposition is, and that's what we are showing in here. The value proposition that we are showing in should always be complemented with a subheadline, right? That kind of gives the trust or takes away the pain points and helps supports the main value proposition as to how, why, and what exactly what the process looks like in terms of doing it, right? So here, as you can see, effortlessly remove tedious tasks, which is a pain point, boost productivity, which is a plus point, and enhance business operation for maximum impact, right? So here you're saying that why you want to do this? You want to do this because it's going to remove all the manual, tedious work which normally is handled by a support team, or might also be cumbersome or prone to a customer or team error, right? You definitely do not want to do that, and you want to boost productivity. You want to enhance business operations because everything is just getting automated. And hey, automation never makes mistakes because they are not humans, so they just keep doing it until you allow them to do it, right? So that's pretty much how this entire value proposition is. It might look very simple, but it's being very well crafted by a team, copywriters, designers, very well, right? Apart from that, we also give them the here showcasing, hey, yes, I want to enroll now. And you can see the second subheadline here, enroll me in the automation system course. We're giving them it very, very clear. We're showing them, hey, this is not probably a software. This is not probably a one-time course. This is probably a membership, right? And this is not probably a tutorial or something like that. It's going to be a automation membership that you probably want to enroll, and for that you have to pay. We're not disclosing the amount also because our client has got multiple tiers of payment, right? I would actually normally I want to display the payments here, but I cannot display the payment here because they have multiple payment options, or because they have multiple tiers, right? And that's the reason why I've given this checkout option here, or add to cart option, right? And of course, we've used CSS to make it look beautiful. Apart from that, the client is just starting out. They probably do not have a testimonial yet, which is of course and very obvious because it's just starting out. So what we have done is we want, in the case, want to showcase all about the tools. So we have added all the active campaign, caller, ChatGPT, Asana, Make, Zapier, all of that, right? All of the automation tools and systems that people normally use, right? So we also need to understand that what exactly they are going to do to help the other businesses, because only when we understand it, we can take the cues from them, the cues, or whatever you want to call them, right? And then use them in the entire funnel, in the entire website, in order to make it much more relevant to the audience. Your client might not have this in the mind because he's already running a multi-million-dollar agency, right? But you need to get that because you are a specialist. He's hiring you for thousands of dollars. A lot of businesses ask me, how much does it cost to work with you, Pritam? It literally costs thousands of dollars, which is not pretty much great because, hey, this project is going to make him tens of thousands of dollars. Sorry, I'm saying less. Hundreds of thousands of dollars every single month if he markets this well. Of course, they've got the team, they've got the experience, but I want to show you the pricing and all that, and you're going to get stunned, right? Now here comes the hero section, right? As you can see, I always tell that you need to use visual storytelling in order to build custom graphics solutions for your clients, right? For example, if you see this section here, you have both the legends here, you have both the clients, you have both the important faces, right? And these are two different photographs, so you have to find a way that both these photographs looks good when merged together. You also want to respect the boundaries of web development, web design, right? And what GoHighLevel allows you to do it in the web builder. And then you also want to make sure that they understand that, hey, it's not about learning and implementing automation. There's not really going to be a done for you service. Rather, you're going to learn it, you're going to implement it. So it's going to be more of a membership training program that's going to happen over a month. And you can see here, you're going to be basically showing them the main screen of enrolling now. You're showing them automation, you're showing them payment received, notifications, and all of that jazz that normally one should. Apart from that, I'm not sure if you've seen that. Have you seen these rays coming from the top? I think they look fantastic. I've used them on the entire site and I love it. Right? Our clients love the design as well. They got amazing review for that. We already have a video testimonial from Josh. I want to upload that on my YouTube channel very, very soon. The client is still, I mean, they're just starting out for this business, so they do not have the PR logos or the clients they have worked with. Normally, I always recommend adding the PR logos or the client that they have worked with so that we can actually show and build up the trust and credibility. But I'm sure we're going to develop this and improve this in a few months of time, because by then they'll have a lot of logos to add, and I'll need to make those changes as well, right? Now here is the pain point section where we understand about the pain points that they are having. Right. So as you can see here, is this you? Right? Are you facing similar challenges in your home service business? So the way it is designed is it is literally talking to the visitor. Hey, is this you? The visitor is going to be it's talking to me, right? Are you facing the challenges in your home business? So it's like, am I facing the challenges? Am I the one? Right. So they are literally going to talk. So the copywriting, the way you design it, especially for these kind of sales funnel, is going to be very direct response in nature. So you want to build a direct response copywriting team, or probably hire us in order to build and write the copy and then design it for you, right? And these are the pain points that people normally get, which is managing the time efficiently, boosting employee productivity, inefficient resource allocation, high quality customer service. Of course, everybody wants that. Unavailability of accurate data, because loss of data, loss of appropriate details can actually lead to wrong business decisions, which will cause them millions of dollars or hundreds of thousands of dollars. And every single point, which literally explains them the first point here, so that they will not be in any kind of confusion what exactly this section is for. That's how you do it, right? And as you can see here, it mentions if this resonates with you, which the pain point will resonate with the right audience, then hey, then business automation system membership, which is the product or the service which you're offering, was meticulously designed to automate your business growth, right? This is how you build or design or write direct response copywriting and design structures which you need to build for your own clients or for your own business. Then comes that what exactly is the solution that we are going to provide and how it's going to be beneficial for them, right? So here we have, as you can see, you mentioned you need this, right? You need to save time, you need to improve your productivity, you need to reduce your cost with our business automation system membership, right? This membership helps you build a robust automation solution, enabling you to leverage time, enhance productivity, and increase profits. As you can see, this graphic is very meticulously designed literally in order to showcase that, hey, this is probably a service, because see, they work with service businesses, right? So mostly home service businesses, and this guy looks like a kind of experienced gentleman, probably working in the home service business, probably the CEO of a home service business or a manager in the home service business, right? As you can see, we have displayed most of these kind of automations tool which you can see on the top, and then we also shown some automation. So we always want to give them what our product is, and then technically or creatively align it with who they are as a person. Apart from that, we've also shown them that, hey, save time with automated tasks, gain control over your schedule by automating repetitive tasks, freeing up your valuable time and all of that. And this literally has an interactive element to it. This basically gives them more interaction. So the more interaction that you can have in your website, the better it's going to be. And this is a nice way of doing it. Now it comes the payment section. As you can see, again, we've used these beautiful rays. They just look so good. I love them. But anyways, here is the different tiers of our business automation. By the way, whenever you click on this, you don't go to the next page. You basically go to the automation, also the pricing section here, right? Pricing section here, in a very simplest format ever, is going to show you that, hey, what exactly is the pricing without zero confusion, right? With zero confusion, sorry, not without, with zero confusion, right? So they have basic, they have standard, they have premium, they have elite. And if you see the design of this, all of this is handcrafted. Even these designs are handcrafted by our team. Same goes for these kind of CSS and all of that, of course, right? So they have automation foundation at this price, and this is what they're going to get. Now they have automation advanced at this price, and this is what they're going to get. As it says, everything that includes in the basic plan plus this, then everything that includes in the standard plan plus this. And you can see they're literally almost $1,600 or $1,700 a month in the highest plan, right? Then they also get some value additions like continuous update, certification, support system. And not just that, I've done this beautiful stargazing kind thing, because hey, you're using automation, tech, and all of that is blushing out all over your site, all of your project. So it was supposed to be there. Apart from that, here's about the founders. As you can see, Tosh and Josh, about them basically. So we got the beautiful graphic done for them here as well. Now comes the FAQ. So they have a pretty big FAQ. One thing that you will notice here is that we have made this very uncommonly section divider, because we really liked how making unevenness, right? That just makes things better. So we have already actually implemented that. And I've also implemented the same thing here as well, which you can see it's not really straight. It's actually kind of a uneven structure. So I like this kind of small changes that actually makes big differences in terms of perfectionism basically, right? Now we have FAQ. So Josh and Tish has a lot of FAQs. They want to make sure that every client knows what they want or what they are providing. So all of that is actually mentioned here. Apart from that is the last section, which is pretty beautifully designed, which is enroll now, get started today, and unlock the power of business automated system. Ready to automate a repetitive task? Join us now. And again, we've shown them some Visa, MasterCard, because hey, at the end of the day, they have to pay for it. And again, when they click on it, they go to the payment section, or where exactly your payments are being mentioned here, right? Apart from that, we of course had the footer, and of course, it designed by and developed by PB Digital, my company, right? So that's pretty much how we designed this. It looks fantastic. With time, we need to add testimonial, logos, case studies, and whatnot. There's so much that we need to do, but this is just the starting, and I believe we can make this an absolutely amazing $1 million funnel for our client. Cool. So what exactly happens is when somebody clicks on these kind of buttons, they actually go to the next page, right? And the next page is all about this page, which is this page what I was about to show you. I'll explain this actually what exactly this page is all about. This is where they come and submit their payments, right? But they put their credit card details, and here, if you see, the way it is designed is very, very focused and customer psychology oriented, right? Because think about it. If you have a very beautiful landing page here, and then they click on it, they do a manual action, they click on it, they go to this page, and then you only have a form. They will not have the confidence to proceed forward even if they want to, and that will decrease your conversion rate. For that, what you need to do is you need to sum everything up and show them the value of what they are paying for, and that should be continued till the time that they have made a successful purchase. Right? That's exactly what you should be doing. So here, as you can see, again, we're showing them the value proposition, the main heading, the subheading, right? Again, in a very, very concise, simple format. We are giving them the option to put their name, company name, details, credit card, and complete the checkout order. Not just that, again, we are showcasing this, which is the hero section here, because we want to, because they are the confidence boosters. They are the ones that people see and then they want to sign up with. They don't want anything suspicious, because hey, online frauds are common, and you definitely do not want to do that. So that's exactly when you want to create graphics like these. Scale your home service business with automations, with seamless solutions, and then you actually want to summarize everything that you're going to provide to them in your packages. So as you can see here, you have the basic package, everything included, Everything being mentioned here, the standard package, the premium package, and the elite package. With that, you also have some tiny automations, icons here, so, and you can always close them, and it looks fantastic even in the mobile mode as well. Again, the support email is very necessary, so make sure that you have them as well. And again, it's designed by, developed by PB Digital. Once they complete the payment, they proceed forward to the order confirmation page. This is exactly where they are going to be shown, hey, this is how much you were charged, this was the product, and all of that, right? I quickly want to showcase you that these projects that we've designed is also 100% mobile optimized, which basically means that no matter what you're using in terms of mobiles, it's going to be optimized. As can you see, currently we're using iPhone 12 Pro. You can see here on the top, right? So we're using iPhone 12 Pro, and this is how exactly it's going to look like. I think, and this is what people are going to see above the fold. Now look at this. This is so beautiful. It's so attractive. It's so clear in terms of copywriting. It's so clear in terms of structure and design. It's so attractive. Anybody who comes on the page will likely want to proceed forward and learn more about it, right? They want to see what exactly is this all about, because this is just freaking attractive. And then they're going to scroll down and see everything. Again, everything here is 110% mobile optimized, right? It just looks so beautiful, so freaking fantastic. Again, as you can see, their payment systems, or business automation system, business tiers that they have, again showcased in the simplest way and the most beautiful way possible that mobile devices can hold. Not just that, this entire founders section, this entire FAQ section is also very well crafted. Right, same goes for the final section here as well. Again, when you click on this, it takes you to the top of this different tiers that they have. By the way, let me choose and pick 14 Pro Max, right? So currently it's now on 14 Pro Max, and that's exactly what people are going to see, right? Again, everything is 110% mobile optimized, look perfect in the mobile view, and it's actually very, very attractive in the mobile as well. Everybody will actually want to explore the entire page and see what exactly is stored for them. Same goes for this payment confirmation page, sorry, the payment page as well, right? If you just make it mobile friendly, which is now currently 14 Pro Max, you will be able to see that everything is literally available here. We want to give the payment form on the top because, hey, we want them to complete the payment. But if you just scroll down, they'll see again everything that is required to boost the confidence, to make them a secure payment purchase. And then again, this is also 100% mobile optimized in order to make sure that they get the receipt and they can see that inside the mobile, right? That's, ladies and gentlemen, how exactly we've built funnels for our clients, and that's exactly how we did that. I hope you liked this video, because we've put in weeks literally to build this funnel for our client, and I want to just showcase you, give it all away for absolutely free. Not subscribe to this channel, make sure you do. There are lots of free tutorials, courses, trainings, checklists that I'm giving away for free. Make sure you subscribe to it and stay tuned for more, because I'm going to come up with amazing landing pages, funnels, and websites, automations inside GoHighLevel in this YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon. And in case you want to book us and discuss with us, just go to pritam.com. That's about it. Thank you so much. I'll see you then.